Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to limit download speed in Steam. First, you want to open Steam, and here as you can see, I'm downloading an update and the speed limit is 2.1 to 2.4 megabytes per second. And now let's say that I want to use my internet in something else and I want to limit the speed. You just have to click on this gear icon on the top right side. Then go and click on limit download speeds. You will find it here in the downloads section. Then you will find here this option. Then click on limit download speed, toggle this option on. Then here you can choose the limit of your download in kilobytes. So let's say that I want to have it about 1.5 megabytes per second only. So I'm gonna type here 1500. Then I'm gonna click on enter. And now here, as you can see, the download speed will start to be limited and it will start to decrease in order to reach our limit that we have typed. As you can see here, the limit doesn't exceed now the 1.5 megabytes, which is 1500 kilobytes. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.